Can't believe it. Is that I've got lots of tools and I don't have the little Allen key for the IKEA furniture. No puedo. Alguien tiene una llave de IKEA y necesito una llave de IKEA para desmontar un mueble. Furniture IKEA. Oh. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Look, I'm gonna do it. This is the cupboard. That is the door. Cupboard, door. Each too tall. Now what am I going to do? I have no idea. Shit. No bloody key. Don't touch the paint. It's touching the ceiling. Oh, God. Yes, you've got it. Adivina dónde voy. Where's my car? My car's parked at the top. I'm actually going to hold this steady. I'm actually going to go to IKEA and get the bloody key because I can't do anything without the bloody key. Now the big question is, will I be able to get the key for free? Mira, disculpe, ¿tienen las llaves para desmontar el mueble? ¿Los vende o...? ¿Sabes lo que digo? La típica de IKEA. Sí, estupendo. Vale, muchísimas gracias. Gracias. For free. I can't believe I got two of these things for free. Oh, don't look at my clothes there. Sorry. Oh my God. And it's just as easy as oh God, I can't reach. Oh, damn. Hi everybody, here I've had a fantastic day today with vlog number 4. I just hope to see you guys soon. Remember, you have to subscribe. Down here on the left, the right, on this, we're doing this way. Where it says subscribe, and remember to click on the bell so you know when the next one's coming. Rock and roll, see you later guys, bye.